In this tutorial, I will show you that how can you draw this window scenery illustration in Infinite Painter step by step. Before that, all the brushes are available in the app itself and you can download the color palette from the link in the description. So, let's start. First of all, select the Monoline brush from the Calligraphy slot and select the first color from the color palette and adjust the brush size to around 10 to 15. Now start creating an oval shape, and if it's not perfect then hold to the canvas and it will be perfect automatically, and fill the color into the outer part. Increase the brush size and create a vertical line in the center of the oval and do the same horizontally. Now add a new layer and keep it below the previous layer. Now select the second color from the color palette and select the gradient tool. Now slide it from the top to the bottom and change the bottom color to the white and stretch it a little bit to make it perfect. Now decrease the size of brush and choose the more darker orange color from the color palette and start creating the mountain range in front of the window. And cover all the boundaries so the color won't come out, and fill the color in it. Now we have to draw two more mountain ranges in behind of that mountain. So choose the more lighter color as you go back and draw more mountains if you want to. Now you have to clip a new layer on top of the first mountain range layer and choose a more darker color for that. Now select the Sketchy brush from the Harmony and start creating the shadows on the right part of the mountain ranges. For this, I am just imagining that the light is coming from the left, so the right part should be darker. But you can do the same for the right too. Now select a lighter color for doing the same onto the left side of the mountain ranges. So it will look that the light is striking on the mountain from the left side. Now select a more darker color for creating some shadow onto the bottom of the mountain ranges. And you can add some details onto the mountains using that color too. Now merge that clipped layer, and similarly now you have to do the same process with all the mountain ranges, keeping in mind that where the light is coming from. After all of this, you can add a new layer in between all the mountain ranges, and you can add some glue using the white color with the Banksy brush from the Legacy slot. Now merge all the layers except the window frame. Now add a new layer and start creating a circle using the Monoline brush from the Calligraphy slot with the white color. Now you have to erase some part through it using the Coarse charcoal brush from the charcoals. Now select the Sketchy brush from the Harmony for creating the birds into the sky. Choose the darker color so it will look better and keep the size to 15 to 20. The simple technique for creating some birds is the V shape and then adding some legs into it using the simple lines. Now duplicate the planet layer and make it bigger using the wrap tool. Now we are finally done, and now you can merge all the layers that we have been working on. And we are done. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.